In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Google Calendar with Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully linked your calendar events to your Notion workspace, allowing for seamless tracking of your schedule within Notion. Begin by navigating to the Notion website and signing into your account. Once you have accessed your dashboard, either open an existing calendar database or create a new one. To create a new database, click on the New Page option in the sidebar and select Database. Then choose Calendar. Ensure that your calendar database includes a date property, as this is essential for syncing events. It is also important to confirm that you have editing permissions for this database, allowing you to make changes as needed. Once your calendar structure is prepared, decide which specific events you would like to sync with Notion. Next, you will need to use an automation tool to establish the connection between Google Calendar and Notion. Open an automation platform such as Zapier or Pabbly. Upon entering the platform, look for the option to create a new automation workflow. Choose Google Calendar as the trigger app, which will initiate the process when a new event is created. Then select Notion as the action app to specify where the data will be sent. You will be prompted to connect both your Google Calendar and Notion accounts securely. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once both accounts are connected, map the fields from your Google Calendar events to the corresponding properties in your Notion database. After setting up the connection, it is crucial to test the integration to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Create a test event in your Google Calendar, making sure to fill in all necessary details such as the title and date. Once the event is created, check your Notion calendar to confirm that the new event appears accurately. If you notice any discrepancies, return to the automation tool to adjust the mappings as needed. This step is essential to ensure that all relevant information is transferred correctly between the two applications. Once you have confirmed that the test event appears correctly in Notion, activate the workflow permanently. This will enable the synchronization process to run continuously, automatically updating your Notion calendar with new events from Google Calendar. It is advisable to monitor the sync performance regularly to ensure that everything remains functioning as expected. If any issues arise, revisit the automation tool to troubleshoot and make necessary adjustments. That wraps up today's guide on how to integrate Google Calendar with Notion. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.